It is easier to implement logical volumes during the installation process. We've discussed the process in detail in other videos, and as you're studying for the RHCE exam, you've probably already installed Red Hat Enterprise Linux 5 several times or more. Remember, if you're installing Red Hat Enterprise Linux 5, you can only configure logical volumes during the graphical installation process. While the text mode installation process may be faster and even give you default logical volumes, it does not allow the same degree of customization using DistDruid. Just remember, at this step, you need to select the Review and Modify Partitioning Layout option. Otherwise, the installation program skips DistDruid completely. We confirm. Just remember, the boot directory should always be configured on a regular partition. If you configure the boot directory on a logical volume, it may not be possible to rescue the system if something goes wrong. With that in mind, let's delete the default logical volumes. Just a few clicks. Delete the logical volumes. Delete the volume group. And finally, delete the physical volumes. Great, now our testbed is ready. Now click New. When you see the Add Partition window, you're allowed to set up a physical volume as a file system type. Remember, physical volumes are limited to a single hard drive. And let's fill to maximum allowable size. Back in the main DistDruid screen, let's select the LVM option. Note that a volume group is already created for you from the existing or just created physical volume, and you're allowed to create a logical volume of the desired size. Let's call it 4,000 megabytes on the desired mount point or directory. The process is straightforward. Just select a directory and choose a size to configure to the desired volume. If you've created logical volumes at the command line, or even using the Logical Volume GUI tool, which you should have done by now, haven't you? You know it's much easier to create logical volumes during the installation process. So practice, practice, practice. Try different configurations with appropriate directories mounted on different logical volumes. You'll be thankful when you get to the actual exam